10 or more people. Give it up for them. So much talent up here. I got a fucking migraine. Can't take it. I told Sasha sorry. Next time I'll book in advance. I understand all this star power coming through here. Gotta make sure I come on time. You know, can't keep the people waiting. Fucking. I want to thank all my family and friends for coming out, showing me support. I already spoke to the bouncer. You know, there ain't gonna be no problems. White people don't think we came here to start no shit or nothing like that. Unless somebody starts trying to boo me or not find my jokes funny, there's gonna be some shit up in here. You know what I'm saying? There's no metal detectors. We came strapped. Fuck the bullshit. Oh yeah. Yeah. Shout out to the couples. Shout out to my cousin, Crystal. Crystal, happy birthday. You know what I'm saying? Been together like 10 plus more years. Trying to be like you one day. You know what I'm saying? Me and my girl been together, gonna be on 11 years, June 15th.
Right.
I finally know my anniversary. Can't fight with me about it no more. I actually called my cousin like, yo, when did we get our license? What year was it? He's like, yo, it's been over. He's like, no, it hasn't been 10 years. It's like 6 years ago. You know, we both get high as hell, so we both like, fuck, we started to guess, round off and shit. But it's gonna be 11 years, you know, been together with my wife. You know, and she knows, all that going out with your girlfriend shit is dead. Don't even, it ain't happening. Fuck that, you know what I'm saying? Cause I know when I go out with me and my niggas, we looking for some new pussy. What the fuck you bitches don't think you gonna be looking for? Some new dick?
Nah.
It ain't happening. Sorry.
No sorry.
Fuck the bullshit. I told my girl, you know, you can't go out to the club with your fucking thought friends. But you can listen to some club music while you do the dishes. Get your ass in that kitchen. Stop fucking playing with me. With that bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God. This is so funny.
I think he's mad. He smell that Oreo.
Yo, and where this fun though, yo. For real, your girl always got that one ugly, fat, single friend that can't get a man. And wants to fuck up your healthy relationship and shit. Fuck out of here. Some bullshit. You know, my girl's ugly, fat friend's gonna ask me, oh, when you gonna stay with the kids so me and your girl could go out? My girl answers and tells her, he said I can't go out. She said, he can't tell you what to do. He ain't your daddy. I said, bitch, stop food poisoning my hoe. What the fuck's wrong with you? Fucking brainwashing my bitch. It's not cool. I ain't with that shit. I told my girl, you need to find some new friends, goddammit. Stop associating yourself with these fucking thoughts. She said, how am I gonna make them new friends when you never let me go out? I said, don't you have Facebook? You fucking make all the friends you want. Go fucking crazy, I don't care. Just don't go try changing your fucking password to the account. Then we're gonna have some fucking problems. Besides that, it's cool. Send the request, accept, I don't give a fuck. Do what you do. You know what I'm saying? I don't got no Facebook or Instagram or none of that bullshit. For what? I mean, I'm proud. I got 6 beautiful kids, a beautiful wife. But you know, what else I got to show off? Shit to show off? Y'all want to see me washing dishes and shit? Nobody want to see that shit. You know what I'm saying? If I had Instagram, that'd be the most negative Instagram you'll ever run into. I'll just be complaining to that motherfucker. I ain't liking nobody's pictures, goddammit. Fuck. Fuck, I want to see you go on that vacation. I can't go on vacation. My kid's tired of going to the fucking public pool. What the fuck? You see motherfuckers with a picture in front of their car, like, yeah, lucky Thursday. You know what I'm saying? I take a picture in front of the bus stop like I hate taking this motherfucking bus. Word is born, and I ain't giving see for nobody older than my mother. I swear to God. I gotta start making money. I wanna start hanging out with other people. Fuck. My kids wanna go to Great Adventure. Tired of going to the fucking water park from down the street. Gotta deal with these fucking crackheads making sure they ain't fucking lingering around and shit. Making me feel uncomfortable. Fucking bullshit, I swear to God.
I think I know what you're talking about.
No, it pisses me off. You know what I'm saying? Yo, and you know, when you broke as much, you become cheap. You know what I'm saying? And it's fucked up. You know, because my kids pay for that shit. My son has eczema. I buy whatever soap's on sale. Could be fucking Harry Free. I'm fucking him up. And my girl's like, yo, but why are you so fucking cheap? Didn't you make some extra money? Like, no, I didn't. Fernando cut my fucking hours. That nigga's looking out for the Mexicans because they work harder than me. But they deserve it more than me. Fuck, every time I call out late, I call that nigga. These niggas showing up 20 minutes early and shit. Don't even clock in, they start working. How the fuck am I supposed to compete with that shit? Yo, I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna call INS on these motherfuckers. Why don't they just stay taking the jobs that we don't want to do in the fucking fields, sweating, picking cherries and shit? They're fucking infiltrating all our fucking kitchens and the restaurants and bars and shit. The fuck? Shit pisses me off.
He look mad too.
You know what I'm saying? I got kids, man. I'm trying to make this money. Trying to make some money doing this shit. Doing this shit for free. I gotta pay for drinks. Buy my girl a drink. The fuck? I ain't seen nothing coming back on this shit. I'm glad when y'all laugh. I feel like I'm getting paid. But I'm not. Because I'm still going home broke with an empty tank. About to start putting a tip jar in this motherfucker. Y'all motherfuckers have fun, y'all show me some love. I got 6 kids. And they love Mr. Softy. And I can't buy Mr. Softy all the time, goddammit. Pisses me off. You don't take food stamps. They just want Shake's money. I said Shake's money, I'm fucking up. Pause, edit, delete. Go. And then I try, you know, if I'm like 50 cents short, he'd be like, no. I'm like, are you fucking serious? I got 6 fucking kids, you're not gonna take a quarter short? Daddy, yeah. Can't stand that nigga, I swear to God. I hope the race riots break out again and they fuck him up again. I felt bad, but now I don't feel bad. I know what my father went through. Stressing over fucking $2. No, and then they're $2.25 now. They ain't $1.25.
Huh? $2
without sprinkles. $2.25 with sprinkles. 6 kids, do the fucking math. Okay, I can only get $10 an hour. Then I'm paying child support, so I'm left with like $50 a week. Fuck. Can't stand that shit. I don't like it. Pisses me off. What else I got here? You know, I got kids. I love my kids. You know, my kids, they look up to me. They love me so much, they look up to me. You know, I'm a good dad. No matter what situation we in. We could be living in a fucking cardboard box. Fucking pissing in a corner. And they'll still be happy and be like, you're doing the best you could, Dad. I'm like, thank you, son.
Aww.
I love you. I'm gonna make money doing this shit, I swear. They're like, Dad, please. We want happy.